Usually, she's here on Mondays for our mental health segment. You probably recognize this face, Christy Buck, the CEO of Mental Health Foundation of West Michigan, Be Nice. She's joining us today because it is a special day for Be Nice, celebrating 15 years.
Today.
Woohoo!
I don't know if we made up the day, but I had a big painting in my office completed by one of my coworkers, Carmel Loftus, and it was celebrating that day. So I picked it out and I said, that is our 15th. So today it is. Oh. So it was around that time that the logo was created in response to a national conversation in regards to a young man's death by suicide that was brought on by an incident that happened in his life of cyberbullying. So, you know, Amber, at that time, bullying was one of the top of the list for school districts to tackle, right? Zero tolerance. And so Be Nice was just a way to respond, like follow this plan, just be nice. And the plan actually came 9 months later, Notice, Invite, Challenge, Empower.
And for those who don't know, just remind us about the work that you do, right, to help people who are struggling mentally.
So, you know, we created a program, and the program originated in schools. And so we piloted it in Granville Public Schools was one of the first districts we went into, so you'll see pics. I can't believe that pic, right? But that's where our offices were. They were downtown Grand Rapids, and so we were working in the thick of an area where a lot of folks with lived experience live. You know, they live in that downtown area. So a lot of the start of Be Nice and the Mental Health Foundation was revolving around stigma reduction. I mean, that was our big goal, that was our mission. And so as we got into the space of education, and that was Be Nice was part of it, then we found ourselves with the ability to take this program into a school district and change that culture. Make it psychologically safe. Show districts that one of the most important tools you have is, with Be Nice, is to connect kids into your school, which has proven to be one of the biggest protective factors for children and for suicide prevention, is actually being and feeling connected to my school. So when Be Nice is implemented in a space, and now, Amber, we're in schools, we're in communities, we're in businesses, we're in athletics, we're working with a professional football team. It is at the core of understanding that everyone has that need to feel connected to where I am, where I play, where I recreate, where I go to school, where I work. And so in that macro sense, that's what Be Nice is. And then micro, it is suicide prevention. It's knowing the action plan like you would know CPR.
Yeah, right. And you're in dozens of schools, Christy, right?
We're in times 10, times 11, 12. We're in about 130 different schools, approximately 53 different school districts, and that spreads out between West Michigan, East Michigan, South. Today we had staff on the way down to South Haven, where they were doing a workshop with all of their transportation staff. Because when Be Nice is implemented, it means let's go in the whole school district. Some pictures just popped up, I just saw them, and they were from Southwest Minnesota State University. So we have Be Nice being implemented amongst their athletes. So we go, you know, west into Minnesota. We have programming in Wisconsin at a factory that constructs airplanes. We have presence now at the Jaguars, you know, the Jacksonville Jaguars. And you know, you just never know where our paths will go with the reach outs from different areas.
Absolutely. We have about 30 seconds left, Christy. Again, we always have like a topic for 2 or 3 weeks on Mondays.
Yeah.
So what's our next topic on Monday?
We are coming up on athletics. And with the end of the Olympics, and we heard so many stories, and you know this, I hyper listen when I'm watching sports, but we're gonna come up with some information about how we can recognize and understand the struggles and those challenges that athletes face.
Okay, Christy Buck with
You
Be
got
Nice.
it.
Thank you so much.
Thank
for being
you.
here, for
Be
all
nice,
that you do.
right?
Yes, Be Nice for real.
Got it.
All right, thank you, Christy.